Hey hun, welcome back to my vault. I'm Chloe and I'm here to help you achieve your ultimate confidence through pole art. So today I want to share with you how to do a twisted grip knee kip. I absolutely love knee kips because I feel like it just makes your routine look so dynamic and it's just a little surprise that you don't expect. So I actually initially learned how to do the knee kip from Momoyo, who happens to be my best friend that lives in Tokyo, Japan, and she's also a pole dancer / instructor. I'll leave Momoyo's Instagram handle right here, but she is an absolute babe. She is an amazing dancer and you just wouldn't even expect her to do a knee kip that dynamic with her type of dancing. So as always, make sure that you warm up your body and do some stretches before trying the kip. And also make sure that you stretch and warm up your shoulders a lot because it's quite strenuous on your shoulders. So for trying a kip, you definitely need a good pair of knee pads. These are from Superfly Honey. I'll link them in my description below. And also a pair of pleasers. I definitely recommend boots instead of stilettos just because I don't want you to injure your toe doing this. Oh, it's so scratched up, so ugly. Anyways, if you're interested in these ones, I will also link them in the description down below, but these are my burgundy 8-inch pleasers. I absolutely love these ones because I feel like it's just so flattering on any type of clothing, especially black, because it matches with these black laces and I'm always wearing black. So without further ado, let's get started. Whoops, I killed a bird. Anyways, so before we start, make sure that the pole is on static mode. You can try it on spinning as well, but it would be much harder to try controlling on spinning. So I'll definitely recommend going on static. So starting on the right side of the pole, grab the pole with your right hand in a twisted grip. Reach your left hand to the left side of the pole. Get your back on the pole and reach up. So then in this position, your whole entire right arm should be stuck to the pole. Like it should be glued all the way from the tip of your fingers up till the back of your shoulder and like your whole entire back. This is how you get a lot of grip and you'll be able to pull a lot in your top arm. So with your left hand, you wanna leave it maybe one space of the size of your palm away from the pole. Not entirely next to the pole, but a little further up from the pole. So this is pretty much the starting position you start to do a kip. From here, what you want to think of is getting your right leg, swinging it from the back of the pole and up into the ceiling. And make sure when you're doing this motion that your whole entire back and your arm is stuck to the pole. So you want to think of using your right leg as a momentum and kicking it up, and then while you kick this right leg up, your left leg follows up as well. And then when you think of getting both your legs up into the ceiling, then you pretty much fold your knee in and then land on your knee and then your toe. So this is gonna be really hard to demonstrate it slow. Just to give you kind of like an idea, it's from here, swing it up. Yeah, I can't do it slow. It's just swinging that right leg, following, and folding in. Since I can't do it slow, I'm gonna put a slow-mo of that. So putting that all together, left hand on the floor, right hand in a twisted grip, your whole entire back and your arm is stuck to the pole. Swing your right leg from here and up, left leg together, and then fold it in and land. Let's try putting that together. So, swing and up. So that's kind of like the general gist of the twisted grip knee kip. But then if you really want to make it even more dynamic, you want to think about your whole entire body kind of like following the kip as you're in the air. So from here, a normal kip will just be like that. But then if you want to make it even more dynamic and even bigger so that you look like you're leaping out, it's all about thrusting your hip and also getting your head to follow it. So with this one, I was literally looking straight up when I was doing the kip. But with the dynamic one, you want to think of your whole entire body leaping out. So like your legs first, and then your knees, and then your hip, chest, and then your head last, and coming down. So I'll demonstrate what it looks like. So this is the normal kip. And this is the dynamic kip. So as you just saw, I like to kind of follow it with like a dive into the floor and then just come up. And there's a kip. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, as always, make sure you leave a comment down below and I'll make sure that I answer them. If you haven't yet, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel as well. I mean, might as well, mate. You're already here. Turn that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a video, alright? Oh my god, that was so aggressive. Let's be friends on social media as well. My Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all are at Chloe Uchida. Thanks again, hon, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.